Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smartsheet, Projects and Teams app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Smartsheet is a collaborative work management app designed to help teams plan, track, automate, and manage projects in one centralized workspace. Built with spreadsheet-style sheets, dashboards, forms, and automation tools, Smartsheet supports everything from simple task lists to complex, cross-department project workflows. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Slack, and popular CRM platforms. The app's main feature is its customizable project sheets. You can build task lists, set deadlines, assign work, automate reminders, and visualize progress using Gantt charts, calendars, and dashboards. Smartsheet also supports collaboration through file attachments, comments, real-time updates, and automated approvals, helping teams stay aligned and efficient across different projects. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its powerful automation system, real-time collaboration, customizable templates, and ability to handle both small and enterprise-level projects. Teams benefit from improved visibility, centralized data, and simplified communication, making the platform useful for project managers, operations teams, and businesses. However, there are some drawbacks. New users may find the interface overwhelming due to its advanced features. Some users report that automation setup requires a learning curve, and certain premium tools, like advanced dashboards or enterprise workflows, require higher-tier subscriptions. Additionally, performance may vary with very large datasets or highly complex sheets. In summary, the Smartsheet app may be worth using if you want a flexible, feature-rich platform for managing projects, tracking tasks, automating workflows, and enhancing team collaboration. However, if you prefer a simpler project tool or want full features without paying for higher plans, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.